Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts. In this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can change your Mastodon social media appearance or theme. Okay, so how can you do this? Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So now let's begin the tutorial. So click on your Mastodon app, then click here, top right corner, this icon, settings icon. Then you can see here some option. So visual appearance, it's our working place. So automatic, it means by default you can see right now the theme like this. So if you click light, then it will be white everything, and if you click dark, then it's like a dark. So if you click automatic, then it will set according to your phone, and if you click true black mode, then it is like true black, like that. When I just it's true black. Okay, but if you, I think I like this one automatic, because this is really eye soothing, so you can try it. Okay friend, today is no more, and please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.